Hello dear students, very good morning to everybody. Here we are on to this is the preparation of this is the aromatic aldehyde. You can say aromatic aldehyde. So that's particular reaction starting from this is the aromatic nucleus. If we are having the types of the nucleus, this is the benzene. If it is reacted with what the mixture of what I can say CaCl3 sodium hydroxide. The mixture of this is the chloroform and sodium hydroxide is it is nothing but what this mixture. This is what a chloroform. I can say this is the chloroform. This chloroform it is reacted with what sodium hydroxide. Chloroform is reacted with the sodium hydroxide. Then is generation. This followed by hydrolysis in acidic condition. First of all, this is nothing but you are treated with the types of the product is obtained. This is nothing but what? The addition of this is the hydrolysis in acidic condition. You can say the types I am writing this is the direct product. It is nothing but formation of the benzaldehyde starting from what a benzene nucleus. The reaction is that the starting reactant molecule is the benzene nucleus. This benzene is reacting with the chloroform followed by sodium hydroxide. Formation of these types of the product. It is nothing but what a benzaldehyde. The types of the product is obtained benzaldehyde starting from benzene nucleus. This is the particular reaction formulation. So such types of the formulation reaction, what I can say, this is nothing but Riemann-Tiemann reaction. So that is nothing but what a Riemann. You can say this Riemann-Tiemann. This is nothing but Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Riemann-Tiemann reaction. The types of the reaction, this is the in short form we can say RTR. This is the Riemann-Tiemann reaction. So what is the part of mechanism? What is the intermediate? Most important takes place here. If you have to the chloroform is there, CaCl3 is there. Okay. Whenever this chloroform, first of all, this reacted with the sodium hydroxide, what I can say, this is sodium hydroxide is strong base having tendency to abstract the proton from this carbon. So whatever this becomes to carbon ion, I can say this becomes to carbon ion, this chlorine, this becomes to carbon ion, and what? Again what? The next step is that this chlorine is lost like this. This bond is break by electrolytically cleavage between the carbon and chlorine atom. The bond is made by electrolytically cleavage. This water, you can say this chlorine, and this becomes to such type of species. It is nothing but what DCC. So what do you mean by DCC? This is nothing but what dichlorocarbene. What I can say? This is nothing but formation of the dichlorocarbene starting from trichloromethane. Starting from this is nothing but what trichloromethane. So this is what this DCC dichloromethane again what it is treated with a part of the mechanism. What I can say the part of mechanism is treated with aromatic nucleus. This reaction is also most useful for whenever electron donating group is present on benzene nucleus. That for example phenol is there. When the phenol is reacted with what? This mixture of the sodium hydroxide and chloroform. This mixture of the chloroform and sodium hydroxide is treated with the phenol, and then formation of the salicylaldehyde to hydroxybenzaldehyde or to hydroxybenzaldehyde. Such types of the reaction is known as what a particular Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Okay, so whatever in this case we can use these types of the dichlorocarbene from the part of the mechanism here. This pi bond is attack on this type because of this DCC having what electron deficient. This is electrophilic in nature. It is what reaction intermediate like carbocation, carbon ion. So like the carbocation act as an electrophile, electron deficient, electron poor. The same role of dichlorocarbene, it acts as a electrophilic in nature, electron deficient, electron poor. That's why this pi electron is shifted to here and the intermediate is obtained. So I am writing this is the directly one of the step is here. This is the chlorine, this one is chlorine. This carries the positive charge. So afterward the reaction is takes place. What I can say, and writing the next two steps is here. This is next two step or next three step we can writing this one. This is formation of one of the intermediate is here Cl, and this is what I am writing this one as CS2Cl. I am writing this one, and this is one of the starting reactor molecule. This one of the hydrogen atoms, or you can say this is what a CS2Cl is there. whenever this CH2Cl and this is again what which becomes to what again hydrolysis in acidic condition, or the first step is what NaOH, the first step, and second step you can what H plus. Whatever here directly writing the types of the product, this is what a benzaldehyde whenever the benzene nucleus is there. But instead of you can take this what a benzene molecules phenol benzene molecule, if it is reacted with the phenol, such types of the reaction. So I am showing this that this is the phenol, it is reacted with the CaCl3 and this is the sodium hydroxide. So whatever here the types of the intermediate is obtained, this is what a that is the CaCl2 again what here the ONS sodium phenoxide is here. Again it is treated with what NaOH is here, sodium hydroxide. Again this convert into what, this is formation of, again this is okay, this is ONA is here, and this is CH again CHO is there. So whatever again which is the hydrolysis in acidic condition, the last step you have to do this hydrolysis in acidic condition, very important. There is a formation of our final product as a part of this is the salicylaldehyde to hydroxybenzaldehyde, salicylaldehyde to hydroxybenzaldehyde or orthohydroxybenzaldehyde, starting from here phenol. This formation of what, salicylaldehyde. This is nothing but what, 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde or orthohydroxybenzaldehyde, starting from the phenol molecule, starting from phenol. So this is nothing but Riemann-Tiemann reaction.